Hey guys, welcome back, and today is a tutorial on how to start buses. I'm gonna go through all the buses. Yep, every single one of the buses. But not every color, guys, just only one color. There's only one color scheme. Let's start with the B10BLE or CB60. Let's go with the yellow since that's its original design. Guys, I'm also currently in a private server. So right here, so basically the B7RLE is the same exact type except it's different. This is like in the B7RLE design, but it's the B10M LE. Click the door button and the door is open. Put your driver authority card up there. Go into your seat, click the seat. Yeah, I have to do that because it just sets the camera behind there, but so once you do that, find a battery master here for this type, but there's like many other types. Oh, that's the wrong one. There we go. You put in the ignition, twist it till it says start. Revving is optional. And that's how you get the bus started. And then if you want the doors to open and close after you press the button. Huh? Oh, I think it's updated. But anyways, let's move on to the next bus. That's it complete. And the B10M or CB50. Doesn't matter what type of bus you get, it's all the same type of bus. Except for the CDI, it's not a Volvo, it's a BUSTECH. So for this, it's here. Press that. So the driver authority card is right here. Put that there. Go into your seat. You could put the ignition in first, so you don't have to. Yep, they did change that. And now let's move on to the next bus. And this is of course only for mobile players. B10M 14.5cm or B50 or CB50. Same exact qualities. Except this one has a retarder. This one has a manual retarder. Driver authority is over here. See this here? See this little microphone looking thing? You could also just do it like this. Just like that. And let's move on to the next bus. The 2-door one of this. Yes, this is the second one with 2 doors. The last one I got had one folding door. Isn't that a leaf door? Yeah, it has a single leaf at the front. And then this has 2 folding doors. This is basically the exact same thing, but I'll just show you guys. So you see right there. Oh, and this is in a different location, I forgot. But it's just all the exact same. So you know it, guys. Everything is just the same. Now let's move on to the B10MA, the bendy bus. And the rear axle, sorry, not that rear axle, but that rear axle turns. Because it just needs to. And there's a switch there. Exact same spot. Exactly the same. Let's move on to the B7RLE. Dang, this tutorial is pretty quick. And see that? Exactly the same. Except look at the design difference. Oops, forgot about the 40 card. So this is exactly different. I'm about to hear this, guys. That's annoying. It fucking hurts my ears. And now let's move on to a BUSTECH. I wish they added the CDX, the non-double deck. The CDI is a double decker, as I will show you. So it's a double decker. I wish they had the XDI. The XDI is just a single deck. I wish they added that. This has a rear plug door and 2 leaf doors at the front. Exactly right here. Dang, it's so laggy. for record. Oops. Guys, I also forgot that the battery mass is on side. And there we go. It's on. I forgot that BUSTECH makes it different. Guys, this is a different engine. Guys, you hear that? I think I got a rare engine. Guys, I think I did get a rare engine. Because it will go like that. I'm just trying to mimic its original engine sound. Guys, I think I got a rare engine. Let's rev her up. Sorry for the lagginess, guys. So this is a rare engine. So guys, if you ever hear this engine or engine that has a deep sound, those are rare engines. Oh, and look at that, they updated the game again. Well, that will be the end. So bye.